If I was opening a daycare, I would choose to be classified as a limited liability company. The main advantages that come with being an LLC are the owner flexibility, you avoid double taxation, and you receive limited liability. Owners hold limited liability because they're considered to be a separate legal entity from the daycare itself, which would help protect personal assets if come after in a court. You also avoid double taxation because profits are passed through directly to the owner's personal income statement, so they pay personal income taxes on that. The only disadvantage with the limited liability company are they're governed by state statutes, which aren't uniform. But I don't think that would be a very big problem with the daycare center, just because I wouldn't plan on conducting business in more than one state. Another form of business is a sole proprietorship. Even though it's the simplest and most common to set up, I wouldn't choose this because the owner is the business. And because the owner is the business, the owner holds unlimited liability, which allows creditors to go after their personal assets. Another problem with sole proprietorship is the long-term stability of the daycare center itself. Because the owner is a business, like I said, once the owner dies, the business will also die. An advantage of a sole proprietorship is the owner pays personal income tax on all profits. And because they pay personal income taxes on profits, you don't suffer from double taxation like the corporate structures do. The main benefits that come with corporations are they protect shareholders from unlimited liability. The shareholders are only liable for their capital investment, but the real disadvantage of corporations comes with the double taxation. The corporation itself would have to pay taxes on profits, and then they would pass down the income through dividends to its shareholders, knowing that they would have to pay personal income tax on that. Partnerships. Partnerships are good because they're similar to a limited liability company in the sense they're considered a pass-through entity. This helps them avoid double taxation because their profits are passed down directly to each partner, and then they pay personal income tax on that. I wouldn't want to be a general partner if I was choosing a partnership because they're personally held liable for all debts incurred by a partnership. This comes from agent law, which holds partners liable for all their partners' decisions. If I were choosing a partnership, I would try and be a limited partner. I'd want to be a limited partner because you're only liable for your capital investment. Thank you for listening. Just to reiterate why I'd want to be a limited liability company, it's because of their increased tax benefits and the limited liability the members have. Thank you.